Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farzana and we are going to do again today the confusing words, or we can say some words that confuse us. So this is the second part today. We'll learn the pronunciation and the meaning by using them in sentences. So these were the topics. First we talked about number 1. Today is number 2. After that there is going to be number 3 also. And for the questions you can ask anytime. So number 2. These words also in the pronunciation they are same and meanings they are different, but sometimes we make mistake in pronunciation also. So the first one is, what is that? You use it a lot. This is where, kahan. This is used for the question mostly, लेकिन join करने के लिए भी use किया जाता है. So where. Sentence is, where have you been for so many days? आप इतने दिनों से कहाँ थे? Where have you been for so many days? And one more thing, this is not been, it's been. We say it in short form. Where have you been for so many days? हमने where को use किया. We used it. It's for the question. But sometimes we join two sentences also with the help of that. So this one also, where. This is also where. Or what is that? Where. ये एक verb की second form भी है. This is the second form of a word, and that word is verb, of course. And it's where, same pronunciation. Where, like Atif is a supervisor in a warehouse. So where is a place where a lot of commodities are placed, and this is that meaning. Okay, warehouse, just as we say warehouse. The third one is where. This is also where. It means when you put on your clothes or something, anything you put on, that is where. Pehna. So what's the sentence here? Which dress are you going to wear on Eid? So in this way you use that. Where. So these 3 words have the same pronunciation. Remember that. This is used for warehouse, like the place, a big store where commodities are placed. So in stock, things are in stock there. And this where, like put on, kuch pehenna, or this where is the second form of this where also. When you want to talk about something where in the past, then you use this one. Now there comes another word. Some people say that also that is where. This is not where. This is were. So they all were paying full attention to learn English. So this is the past tense helping verb, like be की past situation, plural के लिए we use it for the plural. So I think that's good for today. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have a question you can contact me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter also. Thank you so much. Till next video. Bye bye.